We are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty sewing machine for home use. List number 1. Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine. Whether you're looking to make garment alterations or to start a new project from scratch, the heavy-duty Singer sewing machines and its sewing accessories are an easy-to-use and versatile products. Its automatic needle-threaded is sewing's biggest time saver, and the machine's 100 stitches per minute speed allows you to bring your creative ideas to life quickly. While threading the top thread, always thread the machine with the presser foot in up position. Always turn the hand wheel towards you to avoid damage to your machine. List number 2. JANOME HD3000 Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. The HD3000 is a heavy-duty machine, perfect for a beginner or sewist looking to do a wide range of sewing. A handy instructional guide is located in the top tray door of the machine, which indicates the feet and stitch settings for a variety of sewing tasks. Heavy-duty aluminum body and 18 stitches, including a one-step buttonhole, give you the tools you need to handle any kind of sewing project. Stitch length and width adjustment are conveniently located on the front of the machine. List number 3. Brother ST371 HD Sewing Machine. The Brother ST371 HD is a perfectly designed heavy-duty sewing machine for those requiring flexibility and durability. This strong and durable sewing machine is a perfect machine for everyday sewing and mending on everything from thick outdoor fabrics to lightweight and elegant silks. The ST371 HD includes a metal needle plate for smoother fabric feeding and heavyweight needles. The 37 utility and decorative stitches for blind hems, stretch stitches, buttonholes, zipper insertion, and more gives this exceptional sewing machine even more value. List number 4. Singer 7258 Sewing and Quilting Machine. The Singer Stylist 7258 100-stitch computerized sewing machine offers great value because it comes with loads of free accessories. The sewing machine is provided with 100 built-in stitches, making fashion sewing, home and decorative sewing, quilting, crafting, and heirloom sewing easier. Thanks to its heavy-duty metal frame, it has long-lasting durability. The computerized sewing machine with large LCD screen provides clear and easy viewing of your selected stitches, including stitch length and stitch width. List number 5. Singer 4411 Heavy-Duty Sewing Machine. The Singer Heavy-Duty 4411 Sewing Machine is a true workhorse. With a heavy-duty metal interior frame, stainless steel bedplate, extra-high sewing speed, and powerful motor, this sewing machine can sew through a wide range of fabrics. Convenient features including a top drop-in bobbin, drop feed for button sewing, built-in 4-step buttonhole, and adjustable presser foot pressure add a new dimension of ease to heavy-duty sewing. With a 60% stronger motor than standard sewing machines, allows it to sew through heavyweight fabrics with ease.